What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am winning, and so are you guys. And man, if you are in Ethereum, you are for sure winning. More huge mega news coming out about Ethereum. We're going to catch up on the news with Ethereum in this video, so stay tuned. 11 indicators that suggest Ether's new all-time high is just the beginning. Many analysts predict a parabolic ETH rally may be imminent, pointing to Ethereum's surging DeFi ecosystem and network fundamentals. And if you guys are aware, also, if you've been following Ethereum 2.0 is coming out. So if you're currently owning Ethereum now, they're going to match that with Ethereum 2.0 and the DeFi network that is going on. If you are not following the reason that Ethereum is going nuts, you definitely need to look in the DeFi information. If you go back a couple of videos ago, look up my DeFi video. It talks a little bit about that. And you definitely want to get on board with these DeFi coins as well. So with Ethereum inching its way to new all-time highs over the past 24 hours, a number of onlookers believe Ether could quickly surge through that $1,400 price range. Ethereum's robust fundamentals are strengthening the conviction that Ether might sail past resistance in the mid-1400s, with many pointing to Ethereum's ever-growing DeFi ecosystem as the force most likely to propel ETH into price discovery. On January 19th, Spencer Noon of crypto VC fund Variant shared 11 indicators he believes suggest that a parabolic bull run is nigh. He pointed to the fact that more than 1 million unique addresses have interacted with DeFi over the past 8 months. So check this out on this chart right here. This chart shows total DeFi users over time. You can look, obviously, back 2018 wasn't even really a thing. At the end of 2019, it started to really catch on. And then 2020, mid 2020, and then look at this, boom, parabolic move into information about DeFi. People are catching on. The more people are using DeFi now, which is also making more people attracted to Ethereum because all of these platforms are built on Ethereum's ecosystem. Noon adds that monthly DEX volume is currently sitting at an all-time high of more than $30 billion, while more than $20 billion has been deposited into DeFi lending protocols, of which more than $4.5 billion has been issued as currently outstanding loans. Looking beyond DeFi, Noon also highlights that Ethereum is the top blockchain network by daily fees generating, beating out BTC by more than 50%. The number of daily active Ether addresses has doubled in the past 12 months to reach all-time highs of 550,000, and that nearly $20 billion worth of stablecoins were minted on Ethereum over the past year. The thread notes that more than 25 billion is currently locked in DeFi, adding that 21 decentralized finance protocols now represent at least 100 million in total volume locked, or total value locked each. So it says here, 11 signs ETH is going to blow past its all-time high. Number one, Ethereum continues to dwarf the entire crypto space in terms of fees paid, $7.2 million daily average, proving it's the most useful network in the world. And if you look here on this chart, Ethereum, $7.259 million for the daily fees, as over here, Bitcoin only 3.12 with the fees, meaning it's not as many transactions going on as there is. So Ethereum is definitely ruling that whole entire volume as far as transactions go. Despite Ethereum's surging fundamentals, Noon notes that the number of Ether transactions valued at more than 100,000 is 7 times smaller during January 2018 highs, suggesting that institutions still haven't even entered the game. One or on the same day, Token Terminal, an analytics platform that uses traditional finance metrics like P&E to examine crypto markets, tweeted a chart of Ethereum's price to sales ratio with the caption, "This time is different." The chart shows that Ethereum's price relative to the fees generated by the network is reaching all-time lows, suggesting that market may be extremely undervalued. However, replies on Twitter challenged the applicability of using the metric to Ethereum, noting that Ethereum's sales comprise fees that are collected by miners. Messari also shared data indicating that the daily volume of Ethereum's transaction now exceeds that of Bitcoin's by 28%. So here is that chart. So here you can see Ethereum price. It's currently at 1,408 on this chart, and it's running up. So this was the 2018 spike, and we did hit the all-time high yesterday. If you go back and watch my video about all-time high, that also tells you where we're going. But as you can see here, in 2018, Ethereum price to sale, PNS, daily average, and it's kind of just been chilling. But here in 2021, even though we have this massive spike in price, not even a blip down here. So let's take a look at the chart and see what we've got. All right, so as you guys can see here, yesterday with it going up and hitting that all-time high, 1440.57, and it has kind of settled down from then. It came back and it's retested that support line that we talked about, that it tried to break through, and it finally did yesterday, which was nice. It ran up and did its run up, came back down, hit this support, and now it's kind of coming back down. It tried to test breaking down below that support line, but it is still holding strong on that support. And we're seeing tonight, maybe tomorrow, the continued rally. We will find out here shortly. So keep an eye on these charts. If you want to see these charts, go to tradingview.com. It's free. Get yourself a free account and you can mark up the charts. I currently have the 5 EMA and also the 13 EMA on the charts. You can remove those, obviously. And then these lines, what you do is just find where it tops out or bottoms out and draw a line there. And that's going to give you what's called support and resistance. If you need to learn anything more about trading, feel free to join the newsletter, winwithryan.com. Our whole entire crew over there at Trading, we have 56,000 members in our group, all traders that trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all the different cryptos, also foreign exchange markets as well. So if you're wanting to learn the trading game, feel free to join us, winwithryan.com. If not, just go to tradingview.com and get yourself a free account. But if you do want to learn how to actually capitalize from the markets trading, not just buying and holding, let me know and I can definitely help you out. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Seriously, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. We are literally right there at 500. Let's see if we can get there tonight. We only need 2 more to get to 500. So let's see if we can bump it way over that. Thank you guys.